Now it's time for TIPisodes with quick tips you should know. Techniques you can implement into your workflow right here on A Tale, oh yeah, A Tale of Two Hygienists.
Hello, my name is Melissa Alt. I'm an RDH out of the Garden State, New Jersey. I've been practicing for just over 5 years, and one of the things that I genuinely care a lot about is making and keeping our patients comfortable, which I'm sure you feel the same. So one thing that is sometimes hard to convince our patients to agree to, especially our adult patients, is a fluoride varnish treatment. One of the first questions many patients ask is, isn't that just for kids? No, of course not. We know that it's beneficial for our patients at any age. So I'm so excited to talk to you about Kettenbach Profisil Varnish. And I know what you're thinking, Kettenbach, either you haven't heard of the company or maybe you have, and you're thinking they just do restorative materials for dentistry. But this is their first preventive product, the Kettenbach Profisil Varnish. I love this product. So we know a fluoride varnish is beneficial for our patients at any age. There are a few things that prevent, especially our adult patients, from agreeing to the typical fluoride varnish. So, of course, we know we dry the teeth for application. The varnish sets on contact with the saliva, but it doesn't stay exactly where it's placed. So no matter how much we dry the teeth prior to application or how carefully we paint it on, once the saliva comes in contact with the varnish, it shifts, it clumps up. That's when we see those splotchy white patches all over the teeth. And so many of our patients are coming in prior to work. They're coming in on their lunch break. They have to go back to work. Or if it's their day off, they're running errands, etc. So they don't want their teeth looking like that with those splotchy white patches all over the place. And the second reason is that it's sticky. Most varnishes are very sticky, and it's an uncomfortable feeling after completing a prophy. We've worked so hard to give them the best care possible, and they appreciate that clean, fresh feeling after getting out of our chair. But then we apply the fluoride varnish, and they leave feeling that sticky feeling with the white patches all over their teeth. So that's where the Kettenbach Profisil Varnish comes in. It is so completely different from anything that you've tried before. There's no ethyl alcohol or colophony. What on earth is colophony? It's the resin that is secreted from coniferous trees like pine trees. So with that comes a potential allergy. And there's no irritation from the alcohol because there is none. So what carries the fluoride is dimethicone, or